Hi guys, it's Lottie's Cute Art here, and for this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to draw a lipstick. You will need a HB pencil, a 8B pencil, a light red pencil, a red pencil, a lilac pencil, a light purple pencil, and a dark purple pencil. Now let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to draw the bottom of the lipstick. So draw 2 lines down. You can make this lipstick how big or thin you want it to be. So then draw the bottom like that. Then draw the top. Then you add the second part of the lipstick going up. Again, 2 more lines. And put the top on. Then you can draw the side of the lipstick going around here. And then you actually draw the lipstick. Curve it up like that. And back down. And then you draw another line curving here. Then once you've done that, you can draw the face. So 2 big circles. A smaller circle inside, and then 2 eyelashes, and the smile, cap it off, and 2 cheeks. Once you've done the face, you can go around it in a darker pencil to make it stand out. Once you've done that, you now colour it in. So I'm going to use these 2 reds for the lipstick. And I'm going to use these 3 purples for the lipstick base. Now you need to colour in the eyes. And add some red to the cheeks. And you are done your lipstick. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Comment down below what else I should draw. I will see you next week with another video.